So, we're done with Zumba and we are going to walk around here at the park.
It's good.
Yeah, it's good. What's that? What's another activity?
That's Saigon River.
No. Nakaupo lang sila.
Okay.
Ano yan?
They're doing yoga.
Yoga naman daw yun. Ay,
You
napakaganda.
can have your own
Yeah.
or dynamics of exercise based on your own pace.
So, pag nilapag natin ba tong cellphone na to, wala namang
No, really,
ano.
this is not Philippines. I mean, this is our safe space. Well, there are kilometers and
Diba?
leaves, but you know,
My
it's not
gosh.
as worse compared to Philippines.
Oo, na
Because they are socialist republic.
in short, wala pong magnanakaw dito ng phone.
Meron.
Pag iniwan ko to, sa tingin mo pag iniwan ko to, may kukuha?
Yung basta, mas marami kasi CCTV dito, tsaka
Ah.
mataas yung penalty sa kapag na-prove na nagkasala.
Okay. So,
So,
pwede
powerful
nating
ang-
maiwan talaga yung ating cellphone dito. Look at the view, guys. Iyan yung what's
Saigon,
the name? Saigon River.
part
Okay.
of Saigon River.
Okay, that's part of Saigon River. Ayan si G.
Kind of messy pa rin. Kasi SAT eh.
So, there.